Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your tablet or tab. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for tablet or tab. Or just click on search, then here add tablet or tab, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then you come to this list here, click on full stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, search here for the SimpSons Stop It Out. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.